so I'm so glad that you joined us yesterday, because this morning we're going to be pushing through to recognize in verse 11 it says, "Now these are the gifts Christ gave to the church, apostles, prophets, evangelists, pastors, and teachers." And I wanted to make the point of their importance and how we ought to value them, because they are not gifted, they are the gifts themselves. They embody the gift. It means that whether they're preaching, teaching, or living life in front of you, whether they're making mistakes or they are growing in your presence, whether you recognize that they're not all that they ought to be, or you recognize that they're surpassing or overshooting what the congregation may need, that's in the domain of the gift God has given to the church. Now, I need you to get this. They are the gifts. I need you to get it. They don't possess the gifts. They are the gifts to the church. And if they are the gifts, how do you receive a gift? And sometimes, because the gift has been with you for years, it normalizes in your presence. And sometimes we seek to treat the gift as if it was a part of the furniture. But they are gifts. Therefore, we ought to respect, we ought to honor, we ought to enjoy, and we ought to inform others of the gift that God has given us. Now, you may say, but we know the pastor, he grew up with us, and we know the evangelist, he's been with us for years. It doesn't stop him being the gift. Now let me explain. If you've been given a chain or a piece of jewelry, and it was a gift given, and you wear it and somebody says, "Oh my gosh, that looks so good," and what do you say to them? "Oh, it was a gift from my husband, it was a gift from my wife, it was a gift from a friend, I got this from the job for long service award." You start to explain where you got the gift and why it is meaningful. You may have received it 10 years ago, but the person just recognizes it, and now you are explaining the value, the person of value that gave it. And so God gives the gift. We thank God for the gift, but we honor the gift itself. Now I say that because the only way you're gonna mature under the gift that God has given you is if you honor the gift. If you disregard or disrespect the gift, then you're not going to use it. Could you imagine somebody gave you a gift and you were so disappointed that all of a sudden you're no longer using it, you're no longer wearing it, it's packed up in a corner. It's not, it's in the jewelry container. It's not even being used. But if you honor it, recognize it, then you're going to absolutely take care of it, clean it, make sure it's good, make sure that when people see it, they recognize its beauty or its effulgence. And I say that because I wanted you to appreciate the gifts that God has given to the church is so that the church might mature. The gift is one that pushes us, pulls us, stirs us up, encourages us to grow. They're not there so that they could feel nice. They're there to help you grow. Some of that is informational. All of it is relational. So I would want to recommend that you grow under your gift, because that's the one God has given you as you march toward maturity.